Welcome to MOMEMA Learning. In this video, we are going to learn National Symbols of India. National Flag, Tiranga. National Anthem, Jana Gana Mana. National Calendar, Saka Calendar. National Song, Vande Mataram. National Emblem, National Emblem of India. National Fruit, Mango. National River, Ganga. National Animal, Royal Bengal Tiger. National Tree, Banyan. National Aquatic Animal, Dolphin. National Bird, Indian Peacock. National Currency, Indian Rupee. National Reptile, King Cobra. National Heritage Animal, Indian Elephant. National Flower, Lotus. National Vegetable, Pumpkin. Oath of Allegiance, National Pledge. National Game, Hockey. National Airline, Air India. National Monument, India Gate. National Library, National Library of India, Calcutta. National Museum, National Museum of India, New Delhi. National Days, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel.